If you are a student looking to fund your studies in India or abroad and want to know how to do it without any stress, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, I am Simran, co-founder at EpicRed and your trusted guide through the education loan process. In today's video, we are going to talk about education loans, what they are, how they work, and how you can apply for one through EpicRed. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started. So let's get into it. First, let's understand what is an education loan. An education loan is a financial product designed to help students pay for their higher education, whether it's covering tuition fees, living expenses, travel, or study materials. An education loan ensures that finances don't stand in the way of your academic dreams. In simple terms, it is a way to fund your studies without worrying about paying everything upfront. Instead, you get to focus on your education while repaying the loan once you're financially stable. Now let's take a closer look at the key features of an education loan. These loans are available for a wide range of courses, including undergraduate, postgraduate, and professional programs. Whether you are studying in India or abroad, you can avail an education loan to support your studies. The loan amount varies depending on your course and institution. For domestic studies, you can usually borrow up to 20 lakhs, while for studying abroad, the loans can go up to 1 CR or even more, depending on your needs. And the interest rates depend on the type of loan you choose. Loans with collateral, that is the secured loans, tend to have lower interest rates, while unsecured loans, those without collateral, may come with slightly higher interest rates, and it typically ranges from 9% to up to 15% in some cases. The repayment period for an education loan typically ranges from 5 to 15 years, giving you the flexibility to manage your payments based on your financial situation. There is also a moratorium period during which you don't have to start repaying the loan, usually 6 to 12 months in addition to your course duration. Now let's discuss the types of education loans. Education loans can be broadly categorized based on the nature of your studies and location. Domestic education loans are for the students pursuing the courses within India, while international education loans are meant for those going abroad, covering not just the tuition fees but also the travel and visa expenses. In addition, there are skill development loans available for the short-term courses or the specialized certifications. These loans are a great option for those who are looking to enhance their skills without enrolling in the full degree program. Now let me walk you through some of the biggest advantages of taking an education loan. First, it makes quality education affordable by allowing you to study at top institutions that might otherwise be financially out of reach. With an education loan, you don't have to worry about paying for your course upfront. You can repay the loan later once you are financially stable and ready to start your career. Also, in addition to the tuition fees, education loans cover other essential expenses like accommodation, travel, food, and even things like laptops and books. This flexibility ensures you can focus on your studies, not on how to manage various costs. Another huge advantage is the flexible repayment options that education loans offer, which means you can start repaying once your course ends or when you begin earning. This gives you enough time to secure a job and settle into your post-graduation life before you start paying back. On top of that, you can benefit from the tax reductions under Section 80E of the Income Tax Act, where you can claim deductions on the interest paid for up to 8 years, offering long-term financial relief. By taking an education loan, you also build your financial independence. You take on the responsibility of funding your education, which reduces the financial burden on your family and helps you develop the crucial financial management skills for your future. Finally, platforms like EpicRed make the process much faster and easier. With a streamlined system, most of the loans are approved in less than 72 hours, which means that you don't have to wait long to get the funds you need to pursue your dream. But hold on, while education loans are extremely beneficial, there are some challenges to keep in mind. For example, unsecured loans tend to have higher interest rates compared to the secured loan. Lenders will also require the detailed documentation, including your admission letter, and the co-applicant's details. Another challenge is the pressure of repayment, especially if you don't secure a job right after completing your course. But don't worry, these challenges are manageable with proper planning and the right guidance. At EpicRed, we are here to guide you through every step of the process, ensuring the journey is as smooth as possible. Now, you might be wondering how you can apply for an education loan. Well, with EpicRed, it's super simple. Let me walk you through the steps. First, head over to our website epicred.in and use our bank comparison tool. This tool helps you compare different lenders based on important factors like interest rates, processing fees, and repayment options, all in one place. Next, sign up on EpicRed by entering your details like name, email, and phone number, and you can even sign up using your Google account for faster access. Once you are signed in, click on Apply Now button, fill in the academic details, select your loan type, and specify the loan amount you need. Then provide your co-applicant's details, including the income and employment information. After you submit your details, one of our loan officer will contact you within 2 hours. They'll guide you through the documentation process and help you gather all the necessary paperwork. Finally, once everything is processed, we'll negotiate the best deal for you. Most loans applied through EpicRed are approved in less than 72 hours, and we will ensure that the funds are disbursed directly to your institution or account. And that's it for today. Applying for an education loan through EpicRed is quick, easy, and stress-free. If you have any questions or need any information, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful insights.